Okay, this is Unicorn Genetics Part 2, where we make a unicorn baby. So what we're going to do is you need your worksheet or your packet. So we already did the mother and the father, male and female. Okay, and so we're going to go to page 2. And at the top of page 2 here, we're going to do number 7, where we need to do the sperm cell. So that is from the father. The father is no dots, and so that's the male unicorn. And we are going to pick up the craft sticks. We're going to drop them on the table, not on the floor. And we are going to see which alleles are showing up and write those down and make sure we know uppercase or lowercase. Okay, so we are going to pick up the male. So we're going to get rid of the female for now. Get rid of the title. And we're going to take the male and we're going to kind of mix it up and randomly drop it. Okay, so we have face up is these. Okay, so we're going to write here what's on the purple allele. So W on the purple chromosome, little w, little L, little A, little C. Now, you could have gotten the other side, so you do it yourself and figure out what you got. Then for the green, we have a capital S, capital T, capital F. And then for the blue one, we have a capital M, which does mean we have a baby boy unicorn. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the father. Okay. That's the sperm cell. Then we're going to take our egg cell, shake these up a little bit, and randomly drop them. Okay. And we are going to put these in order. Purple, green, yellow. So we have capital R. Okay. So then we're going to write that down for the female. This is the egg. I'm sorry, not for the female. This is for the egg cell. So for the egg cell, we have a capital W, a lowercase l, a capital A, and a lowercase c. And we have a little s, a big T, and a big F, and a big R for the yellow. Okay? And as you noticed, the male sex cell determines, or sex chromosome determines the sex of the baby. So if it was M, it's male. If it's R, it's female, because it would be RR, or right now it's MR. Okay, so this is our baby. So what we're going to do is use our paper now, and we're going to line up the information that we got. And basically the way that it actually looks is, if you take, to get the genotype, if you take the mother's purple and the father's purple, you're going to have a complete chromosome set. Okay, and so I'm actually going to switch them so that the capital letters are on the left. Okay, and so you can just copy it down. So the genotype for this baby is capital W, lowercase w, little l, big A, little c, little c. Okay, and so that's very simple. And you did the same thing at the top. So that's where we got our information. Okay, so we're going to take these purple chromosomes and move those away. Here where it says green, you just want to write genotype again, and phenotype again. Same thing with this one, just like we did on the other side. Okay, so I'll make that so it's a little easier to see. Then we're going to grab the green, and we have capital S, lowercase s. We have capital T, And we have capital F, capital F. And our sex chromosome pair, it looks like this. It's blue and yellow. It doesn't match, which is fine. So we have R for rainbow on back, and we have an M for a beard. Now, if yours was RR like this, if yours was RR, you're going to put an R here. Actually, you're going to put an R here and cross this one out, okay? Because you can't have a beard if your baby is female. You can just have a double R up here, okay? So let's take our chart and figure out what all the phenotypes are. So big W, little w has wings. So the baby has wings. The baby has a short horn and tail. This is just my little baby unicorn here. Yours may be different, okay? So normal fur pigment is dominant over no fur pigment. So the baby is going to have normal fur pigment, okay? And little c means it has a light pink coat. And big S, little s is the horn can sparkle. And big T, so that's down here. Big T is purple tail and mane. And spots on coat was capital F, which means lots of spots on coat, and you need to draw 10 of them. Okay, and then does it have a rainbow on its back? Yes, it does. Capital R means has rainbow on back. And if you had a female, if yours was an R, you don't have a beard. But mine does have a beard. So this is the male sex and has a beard. Okay? So what you're going to do now is on the back of this, the last page of the packet, you're going to draw your unicorn, add a name. It needs to be in color. You can use highlighter if you don't have a pink colored pencil, but that should be pretty straightforward. Okay, so enjoy that, have fun. The very last thing you need to do is answer these questions on the back. Okay, so good luck and see you later. This is Unicorn Genetics Part 2, where we made a baby unicorn.